Do you remember 2 years ago, the United States archives were caught changing a picture from 2017? Defying the main premise of having an archive. It was and still is wrong, but is about to change for good. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we'll talk about Arweave, a project that is here to solve the world's problem of securely saving the data. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you get alerts of all the latest videos from the channel. Please know that this is not financial advice in any shape or form. This content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. When needed, please contact a professional. Arweave has collaborated major crypto projects like Ethereum and Polkadot to permanently save the transaction records. Follow along as we explore the most important upgrades from the project and why it can be one of the most important crypto projects. The project was founded by computer scientists Sam Williams and William Jones, and it was built by their software company called Minimum Spanning Technologies back in 2017. Arweave raised $22 million across various ICOs in 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Arweave's mainnet launched in June 2018. Fun fact, Arweave's mainnet launched on the anniversary of the publication of George Orwell's famous dystopian novel, 1984. And this is because fighting against the kind of terrifying totalitarianism described in the book is one of the reasons why Arweave was founded in the first place. In contrast to other cryptocurrencies, Arweave doesn't use a blockchain per se. Instead, it uses something called Blockweave to incentivize miners on its network to store as much information as possible for as long as possible. To successfully miner block and earn block rewards, miners are asked to show that they're storing data that was a part of the previous block, as well as another randomly selected block called the recall block. This unique consensus mechanism is called succinct Arweaves of random access, or Spora. And it uses a combination of factors such as storage capacity, internet speed, and computing power to determine which miners get to mine block. To make sure Arweave miners get adequate compensation, only a portion of AR is paid for the immediate access to their data storage. The rest is put into a kind of on-chain treasury called storage endowment that releases AR tokens over time to make sure miners are making enough to cover their costs. The cost of permanent storage on Arweave is calculated based on the assumption that the cost of data storage will decline over time. The Arweave protocol assumes that the cost of data storage will decline at a much slower rate than is currently projected in order to be on the safe side, and it uses a 200-year timeline for its cost of storage calculation. Currently, it costs $7 worth of AR to store 1 terabyte of data. It's higher than both centralized and decentralized storage facilities. However, it's a one-time payment and the storage will be permanent. On top of that, Arweave as a smart contract compatible to front ends for Arweave dApps can be made decentralized and permanent all the data. And apps stored on Arweave can be accessed via Google Search, and its Blockweave can process around 5,000 transactions per second. Now, let's move to the price analysis for the token itself. At the time of writing this video, 1 AR is trading at $12.49. Over the last month, with minor dips, the rebound recovery is promising, but what does it tell us about the future of the token? Based on the details of the project, the future is bright since it serves a purpose that can help businesses, startups, and even government records to be saved with the security of blockchain. Currently, the circulating supply is 33.25 million AR coins and a max supply of 66 million AR coins. The price of AR is expected to cross the level of $23.15 by the end of the year. Arweave is expected to reach a minimum fee of $20.08. In addition, the AR price is capable of getting a maximum level of $26.89. The upward flight of the AR coin means good things for the project as well as the miners. What is your stance on AR? Will it stay a good investment over the years? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.